Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my presentation. My presentation topics the total solar eclipse on 8 April 2024. My name is Afsana Bibi, roll 692, Applied Mathematics, Gomashwara. My supervised role, Anup Chandra Roy, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Applied Mathematics at Gomashwara. Abstract. Astronomy is mainly studying the universe beyond the Earth, including its information and development, the evolution, physics, meteorology, motion of celestial objects and phenomena that originate